This is the Pipe Doctor RR2352 by Rough Rider Knives. I was turned on to this knife tool by Piper X1X. He did an excellent unboxing of this knife and overall has a very interesting channel. I'll have some links for him down below. This tool has a razor-sharp knife blade, a pipe scraper on the reverse edge, a pick tool, and a tamper on the bottom. Anyway, Piper X1X covered this knife tool pretty extensively, so we're not here for that. Rather, you see, this unique pipe tool didn't come with a case, so you know what that means. Let's get started. So we have our Rough Rider knife here, and this is the pattern that I've come up with. I think this is 4 or 5 ounce veg tan, nothing special. And I actually looked for a piece with a few wear marks just for character. And on this one, instead of a belt loop, we're going to be using a trigger clasp attachment. Here's the basic stitch line for the edge sewing and the stitch line for the clasp loop. A few random stamps here and there just to add a little bit of character. I'd like to say that I dyed this black because I knew it would look cool. But the truth is, I didn't have a trigger clasp that matched mahogany. The only one I had was gunmetal, so black it is. Let's move on. Here I've sewn the edge and attached the clasp with the loop. All we need to do now is add a snap. Pop a Sigma snap on, and we'll call this thing done. And here's our finished product. All the edges are slicked up, the clasp works nicely. It can attach to a belt loop or whatever you want to attach it to. And as you can see, the Pipe Doctor fits in nice and snug. Overall, I think this thing turned out pretty cool. So once again, a special shout out and thanks to Piper X1X on the other side of the pond. So check him out and see what he has to offer. Thanks for watching, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video.
If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.